As promised, there will be D-drag. You can't leave these chemicals on your face. I looked up the ingredients, and some of them have actual neurotoxins in them. Stuff that we used in war weapons. And anything you put on your skin, some of it's in your liver 3 minutes later. So your rings come off, our glasses come off. Used to work in a costume shop, made a lot of broken jewelry, so we had once a month jewelry repair night. It sounds awfully snooty. Can't get it. So, lipstick. These are my own lips. They're not overdrawn. Something I stick with for a while. Don't drag this too hard over your lips so you'll scratch the skin. Yeah, okay, yeah. The cleavage is mostly faked with makeup, but it's bolstered a bit by implants on the sides and the bottom. And this is a ball you can buy for $1 at a novelty shop. They just cut it in half. But when you do that, do it inside of a bag because you'll get 1,000 little styrofoam chips which will go everywhere. If it's in the bag, you can just tap them off. It can also just be used for breast wounds. This is harder than the ones on doing a bra with one hand. So, I have to take off my wig. It's one of my best wigs. I have more dates in that wig than any other. Makes me look like a mom at a wedding. Bowling banquet or Legion. So the main way to get this off is I'll use baby wipes and my cell water. Oops. Eyelashes. So much a part of me, I didn't even know they were there. top half of the face. Bottom half of the face. And last quarter for the neck. This is one. I'm going for two. So my nose contouring gone. If you don't take this off, it winds up on your pillow. Or you sleep in it overnight, and then someone who doesn't know that you're a cross-dresser comes, knocks on your door, wakes you up and says, "Let's go for coffee." You say, "Yeah, I'll just let me grab a shirt and we'll go." And you're completely made up. And they won't say anything. It's a weird thing happening in Canada. When I'm fully dressed up, people still call me sir. And I started asking people, "Why are you calling me sir when I look like this?" And they said, "We didn't want to offend you." Second one, pretty close to the first. And the third one, I'm going to saturate with a thing by Vichy called Micelle Mineral Water. And they say actually you can put this on and just leave it. But that's another use of it. So this, with this in there, it digs a bit deeper. See? It's the last of the residual. And it's got quite a nice forestry evergreen snap to it. I did do my ears, so I'm gonna take that off the ears. That's quite a bit actually. Wash behind your ears like Mama said. Mama said, Mama said, Mama said, Mama said, Mama said. Nostrils. So that's that. Seal your baby wipes so they don't dry out, and if you want them to last even longer, keep them in a sealed sandwich bag, Ziploc bag. Now, where were you? I'm going to wash them with the remainder of the soap and water. Our dermatologist told me to use ivory soap because it's the least damaging to the skin. Water. What usually happens is you get to this stage and somebody calls and says, hey, there's an after party at the UN. Come on down. We'll send a limo for you. Make sure you look hot because the place is full of millionaires. And it starts all over again. Now, let's see, put on the water this one comes out. See, that's not running clear. That all came off. It looks like coffee with cream in it. I don't know if you can see that. But it was still on the face after 3 baby wipes. This is from MASH, the old TV series. When Henry, the commander, a young girl was thinking of phoning his wife and saying, I'm not coming back. His friend said, yeah, you must be crazy. And he said, yeah, I'm already combing my hair with a towel. This is what I'm doing. Now, after being here for a year and a half, I finally stumbled across my Vaseline. I've said on several of my videos that the women who don't age are Raquel Welch, Amy Adams, Diane Lane, and Deborah Messing. And others, I think Marlene Dietrich did this too. You leave a thin layer of Vaseline on your face to protect your face from oxidation while you sleep. You spend a third of your life sleeping. So this is going to protect your face from now on, 1/3 of the time. I've had this jar since Reagan was president, so it's a good deal. There, D-Drag, now I'm safe from planetary evil. Take off my heartbreaker dress and my Hamburg dominatrix panties and put on my bunny slippers and my fuzzy pajamas. Okay. So don't neglect this. There's a video online that says the first immediate impression anyone gets of a female is they look at their face, and from the skin on the face they can tell how old they are. And they had a bunch of pictures of older women with bodies that were like 16 out of 10. Perfect shape, weight lifted, tanned, but the face was older. Okay? Well, nobody wants to die, but when you get there, you want to be looking good, okay?